now we're looking at the Tamil Nadu Assembly proceedings that will begin, and this is going to be the budget session. What we are now looking at, the maiden budget of the TVK government is expected to be presented today, and we are already looking at the arrival of the political leaders there in the House. So DMK MLAs welcome the leader of opposition Udayanithi Stalin on his arrival at the Assembly. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Vijay has also reached the State Legislative Assembly as his government prepares to present the first and the full budget of the state after coming to power. So proceedings that would be underway, and of course we'll be getting you the live updates. But meanwhile, why it is important, and all of the focus now seems to be on the Assembly, because there is going to be a primer on the Tamil Nadu's finances as well. Expectations which have been running high as the TVK government is set to table its maiden budget. But what has happened in the last 24 hours alone is set to also trigger a protest on part of the DMK. So we have Varshini and Dharani both connected with us. Varshini, anytime now we're expecting the proceedings to begin. Just tell us the leaders who have now reached the Assembly.
The budget session is about to begin in a few minutes. The Tamil Nadu government's budget for 2026 and 2027 is going to be filed in a few minutes by the Finance Minister, Mary Wilson. But on the other hand, the DMK MLAs have arrived, something that we have been following since yesterday, the kind of discussions that they had taken place in fact, at MK Stalin's residence last night as soon as Udayanithi Stalin returned to Chennai. And even in the morning, we saw discussions happening in several places, including Udayanithi's residence, former Minister K.N. Nehru's residence. There were multiple discussions that have happened in order to face and in order to participate in the budget session today. Therefore, in all likelihood, we can expect some kind of an action from the DMK. Either the DMK would boycott and walk out, or the DMK is going to request for or demand for, in fact, time to discuss about what happened with your leader of opposition yesterday. And there could be a direct face-off. We've also been speaking about how this is a very important face-off between the Chief Minister Vijay and the leader of opposition Udayanithi Stalin after what has happened in the last few days. In fact, there has been multiple discussions about how the very arrest that happened yesterday could change the course of the level of politics that Udayanithi Stalin could bring to Tamil Nadu at this point of time. Therefore, it is going to be a very interesting day. On one hand, a lot of expectations on the budget of the TVK government to fulfill or to announce at least half or many of the promises that they made in their manifesto during the election campaign. And out of the 436 promises, many promises are being expected today to be announced in the budget. And at the same time, there is also the political face-off that we are also going to witness today. So it is going to be a very interesting day, whether the monthly financial assistance given to women is going to be increased as per the manifesto or not, whether the free bus scheme is going to be expanded throughout the state or not, whether the self-help groups are going to be allocated funds for free interest-free loans. There are so many things that were announced, particularly for women, in the election manifesto of the TVK. Now that the entire topic of discussion,
live proceedings there, because the Chief Minister has arrived and the proceedings of the Assembly have also begun. Both Varshini and Dharani who are reporting live, and we'll see how the proceedings go on in the House on part of both the government and on the opposition side.